Hello family, I am Bitray. Today is April 28th, 2024. Today, I will introduce a hot project recently called Zealous, commonly known as XEL. The development of this project is awesome, made by the author of the previously highly profitable Petrocoin. During Nairobi's last bull market, the price rose from 0.3 yen to nearly 30 yen, an increase of almost 100 times. These past few days, I couldn't update the tutorial because I was helping several VIPs with lots of machines deploy Zealous B mining scripts on various platforms. Let the family all grab the meat of the booming coin. Since I'm free today, I'll give an overall explanation on how to set up mining nodes for XEL and its use on both Windows and Linux platforms, and introduce to everyone how to use it on Windows and hiveOS platforms. GPU and CPU dual watch of the coin. Firstly, we need to sync the wallet node to get your mining wallet address. Let's start with the Windows platform. Here, I have prepared a one-click wallet sync script for the Windows platform for everyone who needs it. You can come to our BitPeople official Telegram group to get it. I've put the group link in the video description. Just send the words XL tutorial in the group, and the bot will pop up the XLB tutorial automatically. Mining scripts are super handy. First, you need to run the first fast sync script. This script can help you quickly sync the blocks, taking roughly 10 to 20 minutes to complete. After syncing the blocks, you must first close this dialog, then proceed to step 2. Remember to close this dialog box first, then proceed to step 2 to run the node script. Since we have already synchronized the blockchain, executing this node script is next. You can quickly sync up. If you want to resync the block, you need to delete the mainnet folder and resync. Once syncing is complete, we can proceed to step 3. Open the wallet script, and it will prompt us to enter script commands. If you want to create a new wallet, enter the create command. If you want to open an old wallet, enter the open command. Here, I enter create to create a new wallet. Here we need to enter the wallet name. Here I enter BitHunter. Then continue to press enter. Next is setting the password. Enter the password twice. The wallet begins to create. Creating the wallet takes about a minute or so. Wait until the progress bar reaches 100%, then the wallet creation is successful. The wallet balance will be displayed here. Since it's a newly created wallet, the balance shown is 0. By entering the display jar_address command, you will see the wallet address. Keep the address for later use in mining and transferring. If you want to transfer, just input transfer. For instance, I have over 8 XELBs in my wallet. If I want to send one out, I'd input the transfer command and proceed. First, enter the wallet address you need to transfer to. For example, if we want to transfer money to a street market exchange, we get the wallet address from the exchange. Then copy and paste it here. After pasting, continue by pressing enter. Here, you need to enter the type of asset. The default is XL. So we continue by pressing enter, then enter the transfer amount. For example, if we want to transfer 1 XL, we just type it in. Then, pressing enter, we need to confirm the transfer address and amount. Once sure, we type Y and press enter again. The transfer transaction has been successfully sent to the blockchain. Shortly, the target address will receive the coins you transferred. Mining XL coin requires a wallet node. If you want to mine this coin, you'll need to deploy a node either locally or on a public network. Deployment on local Windows nodes was mentioned earlier, but due to limited network, deployment can only happen on local nodes. Reasons often don't sync up. So, let me show you how to deploy a node on a remote Open2 server. First, you need to prepare a remote VPS server. It is recommended to choose machines from Hong Kong, Singapore, or the United States. If you need to buy a server in the United States, I recommend using products from the American company Rekna, as their VPS servers are affordable and stable. I've put the purchase link below the video on how to buy and use a VPS. I taught you how to easily mine in a previous video. VPS purchase and mining tutorials are covered for those interested. Remember, you must buy a machine with the Open2 system. After preparing the VPS, we log into the machine with an SSH client. To make it easy for everyone, I have prepared a one-click download script for the XL node for you. You just need to claim it in our blog tutorial. The link to the blog tutorial is also placed below the video. All you need to do is copy and paste the script, then press enter to run it, and you can complete the download of the XL program. The operation is just like in the Windows system. First, carry out the quick sync node script step. Then, execute step 2, open the node script, and then you can also execute wallet commands just like in the Windows system. Firstly, you need to open the 8080 port on your server for later use in mining. Alright, once we have the wallet address and the node synchronized, we can officially start the mining journey with XELB. First, let me show you how to mine this coin on Windows using both CPU and GPU. Here, we have two mining software programs. I prepared both CPU and GPU one-click mining scripts for you. Let's take a look at the CPU script, because the software is by default connected to the official mining node. So, the command line is very simple. You just need to change the wallet address to your own. Another is a GPU mining script. Currently only NVIDIA graphics cards can participate in mining. Here, you need to change not only your mining wallet address, but also your mining node. This mining wallet address also needs to be changed. This node is the one we introduced in our video tutorial, which you have already synchronized with the server address. For example, if your mining software and node files are running on the same machine, then you can change it to 127.0.0.1:8080. If the node is running on another machine, then change it to the machine's IP address, followed by colon and port 8080. After modifying the script, we can start with the CPU mining script. Once executed, you'll see that my 7950 CPU has a mining power of around 12K. After executing the GPU mining script, you can see my 3070 mining example fluctuating between 5,000 and 8,000. If you need this script, you can also get it in our BitHunter official Telegram group. Just type XEL in the group. After introducing how to mine XELB on Windows, let's demonstrate how to configure CPU mining for XELB on hiveOS. First, we come to the wallet interface of the Hive operating system. Choose to add a wallet and enter the name of the cryptocurrency, Zealous, in the pop-up interface. Then click Create. Enter the wallet address below and give the wallet a name. Enter Zealous2 here. Click the Create button, and then we select the flight sheet menu here to choose the cryptocurrency name, Zealous. Select Zealous2 for the wallet, and choose the default option for the mining plant. Then in the mining software section, select Custom, then click the button to set up mining software configuration. Enter the download link for the CPU mining software in the pop-up interface, and then click OK. The system will automatically identify the mining software name, and then we set up the wallet and mining motherboard. Then, you can fill in any IP address and port number for the mining pool address, since this software links to its own mining pool address, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what address you enter. Continue to fill in the other configuration parameters. After setting up, click the Apply Changes button, and set a name for the flight sheet here too. Clicking the button below to create a flight plan will generate the flight plan for CPU XELB. If you want to use GPU XELB, we can configure another flight schedule for GPU XELB. First, we continue to set the cryptocurrency as $48. Then, continue choosing the wallet we just created, set the OR as default, and then set the mining software to custom. Then click the button on the right to set up the mining software configuration, and click the button to set up the mining software configuration again. Paste the GPU mining software, download link here, and the software name will be automatically identified. Then set up the wallet and mining rig template. Then set the OR address. Because the mining nodes of GPUs and CPUs are different, you must fill in your own mining pool address, which must be a wallet node that has been synchronized, including the IP address and port number. Then configure the software running parameters at the very bottom. Setting up the software running parameters. Click to apply changes. Then set a name for the flight sheet. To differentiate from the previous CPU's flight schedule, we set it to Zealous_GPU. Then by clicking the Create Flight Plan button, we can see that the flight plans for both CPU and GPU mining are all set. If you need the flight sheet configuration information for the hiveOS system XELB, you can get it from our blog tutorial. Just go to the mining rig interface, select one or more rigs, and then click the flight sheet button above. Next, select the flight sheet you just created based on your rig type in the pop-up, and then click Apply to start mining. Okay, that's all for today's XELB mining tutorial that I'm sharing with you. If you need professional mining guidance for XELB, feel free to join our VIP member group. Because I have experience deploying over 8,000 CPU machines and more than 2,000 4090 graphics cards, I can solve all your problems with mining XELB. Thank you all for your support. See you in our next video tutorial.